Crazy Penguins, and I'm back for another episode of Minecraft. And my doors keep breaking everywhere.
Me too.
And if you saw last video, then you should know that zombies were interrupting my video. Because it was so loud that when they were burning, they were so loud that nobody could hear me speak. And I was so upset when I watched my own video. And so I am going to turn the volume down so that way nothing interrupts me. There we go. So it's raining. Raining. Alright, so I showed you around last video. And
I'm looking for you, babe.
off camera, I got a bunch of armor. And I am being joined by my brother and my dad, which I think I see them. I see one. I think it was Jordan.
Oh, I saw you, but I couldn't find your brother. Oh, there you are.
Alright, so looks like Jordan's practicing the target practice.
Guys, it's raining. Raining hard. I need to go shelter. Whoa, that was lightning. Let's go in the house. Lightning and zombies.
Alright, come on, Jordan.
Where do you want to go? Which house?
Jordan's doghouse. Oh no!
Where are you?
Guys, leave a like if you saw that. When you saw a lightning flash, didn't you see my house on fire? Leave a like if you saw
Oh,
that.
look at that. It's just on fire right there, too. The rain's
See?
putting them out. Whoa.
Leave a like if you saw that. Definitely leave a like if you saw that. If you saw that, leave a like.
Alright.
Let's-
Hang on, let me in. It's raining out here. I'm wet. Oh. I'm right here by this. I'm standing here by this nice fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Oh, wait, no. Oh, nothing like coming home to our cute pet spider. Wait a second. What?
To our cute cat.
Yeah.
I need to feed my.
pet spider, huh?
I need to feed my cat. I haven't feed it in ages.
It's always weird underneath them stairs.
I know. I never let it up.
Where's your litter box?
What do you mean a litter box?
Do cats have to use the bathroom just like us? Do you have a spot for it? You have a spot for that?
It doesn't do it in Minecraft.
Oh yeah, I guess we don't either, huh? I'll tell you what, we've been playing Minecraft for like a year, and I've been having to pee the whole time. Really, I've just been running around all these walls trying to find a bathroom.
Me too.
Did you break the roof?
Yeah, he did. Alright, anyway. My dad said that we're going to be making one more video today. And if we don't, then we don't do it. I know I said we were going to do it. I know I said we were going to do it last time that I made an episode. But it didn't happen. So my dad said that we will be doing on the second episode today.
Y'all want to play elevator?
What?
Let's play elevator.
How do you do that?
Alright, you walk into the place, and then you pretend like an elevator right here. You say, hello, good day, everybody. Top floor? There we are. That's your elevator.
I got a better game for us to play.
It's kind of rough going down there.
Why not use tablet to play?
Because I don't.
That's how we do screen recording.
So guys, this is my thing that I do. Whenever I see like a mob with armor like I do right here, I would change it to survival and kill the zombie and take his armor and put it in my secret chest. Cause I do have a secret chest that holds all my golden armor. And if you're wondering what this is, it's Popsicle Shop. And there's not really much inside it, but a bunch of monsters, because they keep coming in here.
Where are you? Popsicle Shop.
Yeah. The Cords shop, right next to my house.
I did it!
I should probably put up, like, glowstone in here.
Daddy, something really happened.
What?
That happened again. What is happening? Who's welcome to the ice cream boopy stop?
It's in Popsicle Shop.
Oh, popsicle stop.
Oh, I know, I'm getting rained on. Whole bunch.
Well, I'm going popsicle. That's why I'm not going to get way. Now I'm going to get way up. Go get way down.
Oh, here we are.
Daddy, you're there.
Another crazy penguins. What's working on?
I'm just putting a bunch of torches.
Alright.
Oh!
And I guess I'll take care of these.
Okay.
My God, I didn't stop that by you again.
I'm not the hole in the wall.
You could make some videos so we know who's coming to the ice cream stop. Oh, we know.
It's dark in here. Why is that thing? What does that zombie have?
Wait, let me see it first.
It was like a purple.
Oh, what's a wooden axe?
It was like orange purple.
Oh!
What is it? Just tell me what kind it was.
Oh!
What kind was it? Like a wooden axe?
Now a
I couldn't
popsicle.
tell. I killed secret.
Well, basically, whatever you saw that zombie was holding, he was holding an enchantment axe.
Hello! Now a popsicle will die. Now a popsicle will die.
I don't think these guys want popsicles.
No, I'm talking about law.
Oh,
Your popsicle will die.
yeah, I'll take a popsicle.
Hey, what kind do you like?
Watermelon.
Watermelon? Hey, that's green. Have green trees, watermelon? Thank you. Here
Jordan, you don't own this shop. I do.
you go.
Thanks.
Right there behind you.
Thanks. Cute.
Green.
Oh.
Green is the gum.
Oh, what is watermelon?
I'm not telling you because you don't work at this shop.
What green, Daddy?
What kind of stone did you use? Because I'm messing up the wall.
I didn't use any stone.
No, I mean, what is this?
I'm
What is
messing
this
up
that
the
we
wall
use?
too.
Quartz.
Huh? Quartz?
Quartz.
Okay, quartz.
I'm messing up the wall too. With Daddy. I keep this messing up the wall.
Hey, stop it.
I keep this messing up the wall.
Come on now, I'm trying to fix my mess up. Don't just mess it up to mess it up. Jordan.
There we go. We go. Dad, make a happy face.
Jordan, stop.
Make a happy face.
Yeah, well, that's not supposed to be there.
Wait, wait, make some happy face.
You need to go to your house if you want to do that. Don't mess up the brother's place, please.
He doesn't have a house in this world. His house is the school. What?
What?
Are we dead?
We had another crash.
Alright, say goodnight.
Good night.
Well, that's the end of it, guys.
We're going to recharge and we'll see you again soon.
Bye. By a different place. We're going to be doing the Don't Laugh Challenge. And see you later, guys. Peace out.
Bye.
Hope to see you again.